Hey, what's up guys? Stephanie here from Two Girls, One Cut, and today we're going to look at how to strip an epoxy cup. Alright, so this is a cup that my heat gun ended up bubbling up the vinyl, and I tried to cover up with glitter, but the client didn't really want glitter, so we're going to go ahead and strip that. I have a pan here that I use for my epoxy pours and my acrylic pours, and that's going to catch any of the mess because I'm up in my office. I've got aluminum foil and some paper towel here. I'm just using 3/4 squares here. The first thing, and you're gonna need acetone, so I've just got a cup full of that. The first thing you're gonna do is just wrap your cup up in the paper towel. And then we're just gonna go ahead and pour the acetone all over the cup. And then we're just going to wrap the aluminum foil in here. And I'm going to take a plastic bag, wrap it in there as well. Kind of hold some of those fumes in there. Okay. And then we're going to let this sit for 24 hours, and then we'll come back and see how to peel the epoxy off. Alright guys, so it's actually been a few days since I first added acetone to the strip cup, and so let's just go ahead and take a look and see what we've got here. Just peel this off, and then you'll see, look, it basically broke up all of that epoxy into little chunks. So now we can just peel this right off. Look at that. I'm just going to save this foil so that I can use it again if I have another cup that I need to strip. And of course this did take about 2 minutes of me peeling. Of course I zoomed it up for you. Now what I'm going to do is just take a little acetone and try to clean up some of this. It may need a little bit of sanding. I definitely would encourage you to sand this cup before you use it again, just to make sure any little stray particles are off of there. But look, we just put a little bit of acetone on a paper towel, and the rest of this is coming right up pretty quickly. There's a few globs. It looks like mostly where the vinyl was that didn't disengage from the cup as well. So we'll definitely want to sand those a little bit better. And most of this that's sticking around is the original spray paint, because I did sand this cup before I spray painted it as part of the prep. Okay. So we still have a little bit of work here to go, but you can see that the cup is largely clear now. I'll just do a little bit more wiping and then hit it with a light sand, and then it'll be ready to reuse. Alright guys, that's all for this video on how to strip a cup that's had epoxy put on it. That way you can reuse it later if you messed up your design, or maybe a client cancels their personalized order. Please be sure to like and subscribe. That really helps out the channel, and we hope to see you next time.